Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing this glitter Valentine's / carnival look, okay? I think it could work for both. So I'm giving you some more Valentine's inspiration and also some carnival inspiration. I asked on my story and one person replied that they wanted to see black and red. So that is where I was like, okay, I could do that. If this is your first time watching Le Beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. I'm also going to be using a mask from Patchology. So that is the first thing we're going to do in this video. So let's get to it. Rid your skin of impurities in one clean step with Smart Mud No Mess Mud Mask. They make mud easy to apply and remove. It's the newest way to clear up your complexion and dispose of pore clogging debris. Or mineral-rich volcanic ash removes impurities and renews your skin's clarity. Sourced from Jeju Island in South Korea, it also helps tighten pores so they appear less visible. You're left with a youthful glow that's healthy and debris-free. Okay, the 10 minutes is over. Now I just need to peel it off. Now I just need to rinse my face. I'll be right back. And we are back. And you know what? I actually like the mask. The no mess is true. So you don't have to actually apply a mud mask to your skin. I don't usually use my hands anyway. I use an applicator. But I could see like how it cuts down on the steps. You just put the mask on and then leave it on for 10 minutes. And then you rinse your face and it's just like, popping. Skin is super smooth right now. Around my mouth is dry. Everything that I use is making my mouth around here dry. This weather is really like getting into my skin. So I'm just going to do my little skincare routine, my brows, and then we can jump into the eye look. So last year, Glitter Injections put out this post on their social media about, you know, sending PR packages to any influencer really. It doesn't matter how much following you have, you know, they just wanted to send out their stuff so people could try their products. And I commented my handle and actually they sent me some of their products. Now I didn't get to review it last year properly. I showed, I think, these glitter bronzers in a couple of videos, but I didn't get to show everything that I got. So I'm going to show you guys in this video all the stuff I got from Glitter Injection. This is an extra large palette. You see how big it is, and it's magnetic. They sent 2 of their pressed glitters in there for me. So I'm gonna swatch these on my hand for you. So this one is Anastasia's Heart. I think I'm definitely going to be using Amor today. I asked on my Insta story what types of looks you guys want to see from me, and somebody said black and red. And then I found this very like beautiful picture of a girl that did black and red glitter. I'm gonna insert it right here. So then I thought, wow, this can like double as carnival and also Valentine's Day. So that is what we're gonna do today. Then they also sent to me 3 of these glitter bronzers. This shade is called Bella Bronzed. I really like the consistency of this one, and it's different size of glitter than the pressed ones. Then we have Can't Mold Me Down. I think I used this on my channel before, and this is like a blue, green, gold iridescent shift. Okay, and this one is called Mermaid Diet. Oh, that is so cool. So this one has really chunky glitter in it. So perfect for carnival again. They also sent over some of their loose glitter, and it comes in packaging like this. Now I do not like this packaging because as soon as you open this, glitter is gonna be everywhere. Anyway, I got 4 different ones. These colors are really nice. I would like to use them in the future, but I have to pour them out into something before I even think about using them. They also sent over a glitter glue. I think I'm gonna use the glitter glue along with the pressed glitter just for longevity. And then they also sent over these glitter injections. So these are the highlight doses. You take the cap off and then it locks. Once it's locked, none will squirt out. You open it by moving this little lever at the bottom, and then you just squeeze it out. Ah! Ah! Right? I think I would use this for the body. And so that one I used was Glow Pill, and now this one is My Addiction. Now this is a really interesting shade. It's like a greeny, bluish, kind of mermaidy color. Do you guys see that? It is so cute. And then the last thing that they sent was this very cute highlight. So it came with this packaging which has a mirror in it, and it is a glitter highlighter. So this one is called Tropical Smoothie, and the consistency of this is so strange to me. It kind of looks like scales, but it has like a clear adhesive, and then it's like purple. Yeah, do you see that there? It's right here. Yeah, you could barely see it. So this is everything swatched. Now let's get into the shadow. All right, so I just put on some Patchology eye gels. They can moisturize my eyes and catch a little bit of that fallout. All right, so then I'm gonna move into the Saharan 2 palette. Y'all, I've been using this palette so much lately. Going into Taza with my MOTD Seamless Sheer Blending Brush. I think this is the favorite brush out of the entire collection for me. Don't forget, you can use code LABEAT to save 15% off your purchase at MOTD Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in with the Build and Blend brush, going into this shade right here, Zara. Then I'm gonna go into Saharan 1 with Chad on the same brush, Build and Blend. And I'm just concentrating that on the outer corner of my eye, actually blending it inwards, kind of making this a base for the glitter. Then I'm gonna take the Masterpiece crease and really concentrate that shadow inwards. I'm gonna take off these eye gels now. Then I'm gonna go in with the glitter injections, glitter adhesive, and I'm using the Under the Covers brush, and I'm just going to place that on my eye. I'm gonna go into Amor with the same brush. Let me see if it will work on the brush or if I should use my fingers. Okay, it's working on the brush. I know I was gonna love this brush, y'all. This is my second favorite because it is just the right shape to get into your eye space. This pressed glitter is working really well. I don't have any fallout just yet. Yay! I wonder if I hadn't used the glitter adhesive, if it would have been so easy to apply. So I would recommend not using the pressed glitter alone, but try the adhesive. For my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go into the Saharan 1. I'm taking this shade right here, Senegal. Okay, so that is the finished look. The glitter has stood up. Glitter injections, I think, is one of the pioneers of pressed glitters. So I think that they worked really, really well. I even want to pick up some more shades because one thing I want to do this year is do a bit more bold makeup looks on my channel. I do a lot of basic, but I want to step it up a notch, okay? And if it's mess free, I'm all about it. So the Pure Eye Polishes, yes. These glitter injection pressed glitters, yes, I'm all the way here for it, y'all. I don't have a single piece of red glitter on the rest of my face other than on my eyes. I'm so happy about that. I wasn't sure if I wanted to pair this look with a red lip or not, but I was like, I could do something monochromatic. That might be a little cute. So yeah, I hope this video was enjoyable and I gave you some more inspiration for Valentine's Day. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Le.Beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and The Beat Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can like this video, comment, and let me know if you would wear this for Valentine's Day or if you would wear it for Carnival. Let your girl know, okay? But without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye!